Hey, what's good, y'all? As you can see, we counting down. We almost at under a minute. Josiah has his up as well. And I got it on Footaction and on Footlocker. I think Josiah has the Footlocker up on his. Well, you should be holding your hand, not your skateboard. You gotta be tapping the screen when the countdown starts. Woo! You ready, son? Under 30 seconds. Oh, the anticipation. Let's see if we get in the wait list. 6, 5, 4.
Oh, sorry. What?
What happened? Where's my?
It's not working.
Just keep going in. Oh, confirm reservation. Yes. As y'all can see, with my dog barking in the background, we get excited, she get excited. There we go.